Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze a frame in Davinci Resolve. It's very simple, but I'm going to show you the best one and the easiest way to freeze a frame in Davinci Resolve. There's another way, but like two ways I think, but I'll show you the best way and the easiest way. So let's jump right into the video, and I hope by the end of the video you will learn something. So now look for the frame that you want to freeze. Okay, I want to freeze this portion. Okay, exactly this one. So press B on your keyboard and let's cut this part. Okay, around here. And now right click, select this this part of this video, this section you cut, and then right click and here select change clip speed. And here we have a setting to freeze frame. Okay, freeze frame, check this button, and now you freeze the frame. You should actually select one frame, only one, because the video will cut this that part that is not the frame. Okay, but that's fine for me. So here we have now a frame. Okay, let's zoom in, and here we should have a frame, and we have a freeze frame. As you can see, we can make this longer. And why we split this part, only the video, because if you otherwise you will right click on the entire video and you change clip speed and you select freeze frame, then it's gonna freeze the entire video, turn it in one frame, but that's not what you want. So please select the part of the video that you want to freeze and then click on speed, change speed, and select freeze frame. So I hope you learned something, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.